Hello guys, today we are going to give you a small demo of this one-on-one class because we are getting so much of inquiries to College of English Marathon about these one-on-one classes. People are really enthusiastic and we want to give you a small demo as to how we do these one-on-one classes. Actually, these are online classes, but we're going to physically show you how do we conduct these one-on-one classes, because some people think that one-on-one classes are just discussions that you have for like 40-45 minutes, just you talk about the day-to-day activities. Actually, it's not like that. So we talk about different topics that enhances your vocabulary, your confidence, and in here and there you will make mistakes and the teacher will correct you later. And also the most important aspect when it comes to mastering a language, any language, the most important aspect is vocabulary. You want words, you need words. मुझे छोटा सा उर्दू बात कर सकता है, मैं श्रीलंका में, बट छोटा सा उर्दू बात कर सकता है. मुझे एक प्रॉब्लम है, मुझे अच्छी तरह बात करने का मुझे वोकैबुलरी नहीं है. सो मेरे पास वोकैबुलरी था तो मुझे अच्छी तरह बात कर सकता है उर्दू में. सो वहां पे मैं पहले में जानता है, because I teach English. I've been a teacher for a very long time. I know vocabulary plays a very big role, and in one-on-one classes you have a lot of time with the teacher, right? Only you and the teacher are there. You can talk anything, you can make any mistakes, but in the society you can't make mistakes. You can make mistakes inside the classroom, in these one-on-one classes, make mistakes, correct yourself, and build confidence. We'll give you a short video and we'll show you how we do these one-on-one classes, right? So let's go to the session. Hi, Alifia.
Hi.
Okay. Hi, Alifia.
Hi.
Hi, my name is Lahir Udayas, and so we are going to start this one-on-one session, the first class.
All right.
There we are going to talk about smoking.
Okay.
Do you smoke?
No.
Give a lengthy answer.
No, I don't smoke because according to my point of view, smoking is not good for health, and it's injurious to health. And I would prefer, this is my point of view, that people should not smoke it's not healthy.
Right. I'll ask you a question. Now, have you seen a packet of cigarettes?
Yes.
In cigarette packets, there it mentions smoking causes cancer.
Yes.
Smoking kills, right? Smoking makes you, older. Do these things affect the smoker?
Yes, sir. They do. They do.
Do they consider by looking at the?
No, they never. I don't think so. The smoker ever have read that box.
Okay.
According to me.
Have you heard of the name Philip Morris?
No.
No, right? So actually, Philip Morris is the maker of Marlboro cigarette.
Okay.
Okay. One guy who wanted to quit smoking at the age of 51, he decided to quit smoking, but he could not quit.
All right.
Because it was not that easy.
Okay.
And later he had to spend a lot of money. Later he filed a case against this Philip Morris company.
Okay.
And he won the case, and on that day onwards, people started putting notice. And after putting the notice in the cigarette packet, the company says 52 million Americans have quit smoking.
Okay. That's like, I have never, this is a really big information.
Yeah.
I've never heard about this. This is the
So now, that time they stopped it. But why do you think there's a difference? Now actually the notice is there.
Yeah.
But still the number of people who smoke increases.
Yeah. So there are different category of people who like to smoke.
What do you say about second-hand smoking? I told you yesterday.
सेकेंड हैंड स्मोकिंग सर ये भी डेंजरस है. ठीक है, अगर if someone is smoking and the other person is sitting beside them or they are doing it in a public place, so obviously it causes effect on them.
What do you know what it is called?
Yeah, second hand.
No, there's a different name for that. When you smoke,
Yeah.
That is called active smoking, and the second hand smoking is called passive smoking. So that passive smoking is far more dangerous than the first active smoking, and also it affects the pregnant women on the road. Can you comment on that?
Yes, sir. Agar active smoking, someone is doing active smoking, so obviously whoever is the family mate, they are sitting in the family and they are smoking. So definitely that will cause.
They don't want to smoke,
Yes.
but because of other people,
Yes, because of
Even-
other people, if they are smoking, other people will
Even-
affect that.
even small kids
Yes, small
and a
kids,
person, a baby
a
who was
baby who is pregnant, who has some health issues, they will suffer. So preferably ये नहीं करना चाहिए smoking.
do you think that smoking has to be like removed? I mean, like it has to be banned.
If yes, it should be banned. मेरे हिसाब से तो ban है. It is like notified in the box that it's injurious to health, it kills people. इतने इसके जो है वो नुकसान है, ठीक है, but still people smoke. People still smoke. नहीं करना चाहिए. ये ban होना चाहिए and हमारी गवर्नमेंट ने इसको ban किया हुआ भी है, but still people like they do smoking and they like it.
Do you think do you have friends those who smoke?
Yes.
Right. Do they say that it releases stress?
Yes, they say.
Smoking relieves
Yes.
stress,
Yes.
and do you believe in it?
So personally, I've not experienced, but as they are saying, so according to them, it must be for them.
So do they consider it as a pleasure of their life?
Yes, sir.
One pleasure of their life.
At some point of उनको ये pleasure लगता है कि हम अगर smoke करते हैं तो it's a release.
English.
It's a release our tension, our stress. So yes, they like
That's
they enjoy smoking. They enjoy smoking, and it's like if they if the family says no to them, they don't smoke.
In Pakistan, do people smoke in buses, public buses?
Sir, not really.
No. Do they smoke in public?
Yes, they do. In parks, in sometimes in park area.
Do you believe that they should be allowed to smoke in a private area, not in the public, without banning smoking? Smokers can smoke in their private places
Yes.
without harming others. Do you agree?
Yes. This should be. This should be that the smoking area should be separate, and the family places should be separate. So the person who likes to smoke, they can.
And also I have seen like there are people those who cannot stop smoking. They want to smoke like 2-3 times per hour.
Yeah.
But do you know there are flights right that travels 10 hours a day and they don't want to smoke.
So I want to ask them that how do they manage if they have a habit of 2-3 hours and they are taking the flight of 10 to 18 hours. So how do they manage like that?
So I think the problem is in their mind itself.
Because then
they decided they can do that.
It's all the mind game. If they decided, if they have the psychological issues, if they can stop themselves while they are in the flight, while they are flying, with gravity, जिसके अंदर वो समझते हैं कि it's dangerous. Because अगर हम ये करेंगे, everyone is going to affect the passengers, and they are not allowed, strictly not allowed. So they have
So do you think
started.
that it is a lie? These smokers, the habitual smokers, those who smoke a lot, they say that they want to quit, and it is almost impossible to quit. Do you agree?
So yes, it's all up to their
And in the
self-
meantime, there are people who shall stop.
Yes, it's all about their self-stamina. If they have their will to make themselves stop, nothing is impossible for a person who cannot. Nothing impossible. Okay, if they think that yes, I have to quit it, then definitely they are going to quit. And if they have नहीं ये मुझसे नहीं होगा, I can't do, I can't quit. और फिर एक different एक होता है कि suppose they stop, alright, they don't. But if they are sitting in that gathering, other people are smoking, so the smoke they get, and then suddenly, oh, I also.
Thank you, Alicia. Thank you very much for
Thank you, sir.
participating in the
Thank you.
one-on-one session.
So देखा आपने, ये सिर्फ बातें नहीं है, ये सिर्फ आपको 101 लेसन में हम बातें नहीं करेंगे. वी आर गोइंग टू गिव यू द इंफॉर्मेशन रिलेटेड एनी टॉपिक जो 45 मिनट्स का हम आपको 101 लेसन में सेशन देंगे. दैट वुड बी इंफॉर्मेटिव, जो आपकी नॉलेज के अंदर इजाफा करेगा. दिस वाज अ स्मॉल डेमो. अब आप ये डिसाइड करें दैट यू वांट टू टेक इट, यू वांट टू ग्रैब इंफॉर्मेशन. यू ऑल हैव टू डिसाइड. Remember this name, College of English for Higher Education, and contact us on the given number below. आपके पास हमारा WhatsApp का नंबर है, हमारे पास सोशल मीडिया का हैंडल्स है. Do feel free to contact us.